Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these basketball-themed cup ball games. So for this craft, you'll need paper cups, and the smaller the cup, the more challenging your game will be. You'll also need some kind of wooden stick. I suggest a skewer stick like this because it already has a point, which will make it a lot easier to poke through your cup. If you don't have a skewer stick, you can also use something like a wooden dowel like this, and use a toothpick or a pencil to poke through your cup. You'll also need beads. I'll be using these little orange beads because they kind of look like basketballs to me, but you can use any color you'd like. And the smaller the bead, the more challenging your game will be. You'll also need string, and the size of your string depends on the size of your bead. Scissors, and optionally, if you want to decorate your cup, you can use things like markers or colored paper. So let's get started. So here's my basketball themed cup ball game. You can see I decorated my cup almost to look like a hoop, and my bead is orange to look like a basketball. So now I'll show you how to make your own basketball themed cup ball game. So first start with a cup, and you can get creative with decorating it however you'd like. I'm just going to draw another hoop on this one. We'll draw some lines. And here's my cup with my hoop. Next, take one of your skewer sticks, and you're going to poke it through your cup. Try to poke it somewhere around the middle of your cup, and poke it all the way through. Be careful. Okay. And pop out your cup a little more. There you go. Next, you're going to take your bead. So I'm going to take an orange bead, and you're going to tie it to your cup. So take a piece of string, and first start by tying it to your bead. So go through the bead, and tie it. Make sure you double knot it so it stays nice and tight. Go. And next, cut your string to the size that you want your string to be from your cup. And the longer the string, the more challenging your game will be. Make sure you cut a little bit extra so that you can tie it to your stick. Go. And next, take your string and tie it to your stick. And double knot this one too to make sure it stays nice and tight. Go. And push your string as close to the cup as you can. And here is your basketball themed cup ball game. Now you can try it out and try to get your bead or your basketball inside your cup or your hoop. Here's my basketball themed cup ball game. Let's see if I can get my basketball inside my hoop and make a basket. got it. I hope you have fun and good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.